wanted to start off with, where do melody ideas come from? And obviously this is not an exhaustive list. There's a million ways that melodies can pop up, but I was just thinking, melodies can come from the rhythm of a title. A lot of times a title can give you a rhythmic motif. Rhythm of lyrics and the meter of the lyrics can give you melodic ideas. There's also notes in your chords. A lot of us are probably writing, we're doing the hum and strum method where you're singing notes that are in the chord. You can also find melodies within notes within your scale or the mode that you're writing in. Also, the rhythm of songs that you like. You can use the rhythm of melodies and change the pitches. So that's something that if you find yourself writing kind of the same type of melody a lot, take just the rhythmic aspect of a song you like, and then make the pitches completely different. And you can also take little snippets of melodies and rearrange and edit them to make them into something new that's not recognizable. Also, sometimes melodies come from riffs or patterns that you play on your instrument. I think I've done this a lot where I start playing on the piano and I do some sort of pattern and I'm like, oh, that sounds kind of like a vocal melody, or that could be a cool, vocal melody. Sometimes melodies just pop out of thin air. They just pop into our head, that's the best case scenario, right? That's where the heavens open up and like inspiration strikes and everything falls into place. But a lot of times that doesn't happen. You can also find melody ideas in public domain songs, songs that have, their copyright has expired, or also in songs like hymns. And also just feed your mind more melodies and listen intently to what melodies are doing. I think there's a difference between passive and active listening. And I think when it comes to developing your melodic ear, I think active listening, where you're actually paying attention to what is happening, where does the melody repeat, what are some of the rhythms that are happening, that helps to feed your mind. So when it comes time to write, you start to do those things, what I would say, by accident. So you pay attention on purpose to do it by accident. So one of the quotes that I always remember as I'm writing is, a great melody can save a mediocre lyric, but great lyrics will not save a weak melody. And I think that I've taken that to heart, and the best songs that I myself have written have really had a stronger melody. So that's what I want you guys to think about is, I hear a lot of the songs that you guys write, and lyrically they're very good, but I think melodically it doesn't carry the lyric the way that it should. So I think melody is something important to study and help you become a better songwriter.